The ancient lands of Uzbekistan are called a sand-rimmed diamond. Uzbekistan has long-standing winemaking tradition. Local climate is favorable for growing all grape varieties. People began to produce sparkling wines here in 1942, and the roots of this industry establishment go back even further, to the 70s of the 9th century. At present, the enterprise functions under the name O'zbekiston SHAMPANI Joint Stock Company. It is the only company in the country engaged in champagne and sparkling wine production. It is located on its own production area in the city of Tashkent. Total area of the plant territory is 5,000 square meters with a staff number of 200 people. The main activity of this enterprise is champagne and sparkling wine production. The corresponding workshop is provided with modern equipment, a filling and decoration line by KHS Company, labeling machines, capping machine, and powerful bottle washing machine enable the enterprise to improve profitability, capacity, and products quality. For the purpose of product quality control, the plant laboratory is fitted with all the required appliances and the newest gas chromatograph Shimadzu. By means of successful implementation of the tasks set in the business plan, the company's management tries to develop new schemes for the improvement of product sales in the internal and external markets. Its well-executed organizational structure is efficiently reflected in the plant's activity. Raw materials, logistics, and production planning are important aspects of any production activity. Every brick in the local basement is a witness to a more than 150-year-old history of the plant. In the middle of the 19th century, a merchant from Orenburg, Nikolai Ivanov, organized model winemaking here and produced brand wines. As a continuation of those traditions, the plant produces still grape wines in parallel to main production. The workshop is equipped with a wine filling line Polaris B1500. The wine materials workshop can produce several-fold more products than is produced by the plant at present. The workshop for vodka and liqueurs and spirits production is of special importance for the plant. Product line expansion provides for a possibility of confident variation in the market. For the purpose of efficient production, the workshop is fitted with modern technologies. The monoblock for vodka filling, Skoma, is equipped with new filtration systems and vessels for alcohol preservation. The company's shareholders are as follows: Uz Sherab Sanoy, 51% of shares; Ashdale Systems LP, Scotland, 22%, and Natural Persons, 26%. Every year, the plant increases its production since it has not shown all its potential yet. It can be proved by financial indices for the last 3 years. The company's plans for the next 5 years include workshop modernization aimed at the use of all its potential in the future. The company's high-quality products are highly evaluated at exhibitions held in different countries. Qualified production personnel, increase in product manufacture and consumption both in the internal and external markets, support of the branch by the government, growing indices of return on equity, attraction of wine tourism, and growth of finished product export serve as a basis for investing into our enterprise. We look forward to working with you.